I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hi darlings, my name is Mbulela Austin Barley, also known as Kim. Well, shem guys, we are treatment ngicela ngathi kusingagcina post my videos February. Ngikanje like isikolo this year na. Isikolo like sengibambe ngemawashini guys. Like siyangikhama mara shem nje since sengibuyile shem ku YouTube usengidozama kuba consistent and futhi nje bengishatsha on time management. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome, darling. If you are returning, babe. But then, guys, ni subscribe and if you like the video and if you subscribe because next time I upload a video, like notified. But then, Shem, asikolapo guys, asikolapo. So, like for years and years, like when abanye basloba complimenting confidence yami, labanye bangbuta ukuthi, "How Mbulelo like waba confident kangaka like babe, like ngiyacala Shem ngibona ngile confident so na, le confidence lengaka ngiyacala Shem like wenda ngani, yabo nje like bangbuta and nje nami nokuxoxa nalamanye ama gays yabo nje like nakang DM and stuff bahlala bangitshela ukuthi like ibona abanayo le confidence lenginayo bangbude ma tips kusi like wena ngani and stuff. So namuhla ke ngizokhuluma into leti ngincethile ngiphindze futhi nginitshele lawo ma tips lawo kuze nani atokhona ukuthi anincetse. So without nje kumosha isikhathi ngicela singeneni. Okay. Ngize kuthi like ngimuntu serious ne ngibonakala ngokuthi ngize ngiprepare nema notes ngibhale ebhukwini yabo like ngibhale ebhukwini ikhombisa ukuthi like ngiserious. So asingene nenzabeni itip yokuqala kumbe info yokuqala le nga decide ukuyenda kuze ikhuphule confidence yami was to accept myself. Guys, like ukuthi accept kwami like kwangincisa kakhulu because ngabona kwangathi kumbe like ngafila kwangathi like le peace level ngisolo ngiyifuna empilweni yami finally ngicine ngayithola cause angisho like for years bengisolo ngiphila impilo yemanga yabo nje naloko ukuthi like society or like bantu balebula like kuba gay as info le wrong and stuff yabo nje like bakulebula as into le wrong. So nje ish nje like nje like kwangimisa kakhulu especially ngeconfidence yami nange self esteem yami because like nje yabo guys bengekho so mina benganayo le umfeeling na yabo le komnqi like bengekho so mara like ukuthi accept kwami kwanginceda kakhulu because like nje ngaqala ngaphila impilo le right yabo impilo le kahle impilo le bengisolo ngifuna kuyiphila yabo ngase ngathola ne courage ukuthi ngibe out natuka ma parents wami ngibe out tuka abangani bami ngibe out tuka lamanye ma family members wami yabo nje and stuff kwanginceda kakhulu guys kwanginceda kakhulu because finally ngaphuma la bengisolo ngitivalele khona ngaba like yabo nje like yabo ngathi nje ngabekisa ngani yabona iblom kuthi njane iblom if ngana kukhanya like liba so liyabuna mara once kwaba ne light kwaba nekhanya kwaba nelanga yabo liyachakada lithi so bekungimlo muntu loyo so kuphuma kwami ukuthi accept kwami kuthi okay Mbulelo kahle kahle wena ugay wena ungilo muntu lo ucala uphila impilo yakho le right nyalo wanginceda kakhulu because guys like sometimes before uthi accept or before like uphuma yabo ku closet like ukuthatha isikhathi uqala like uyideny lento uyiphike ngenxa yokuthi ngani bantu like bathi yeah being gay is a sin now ukhula but what nje ukuthi kuba gay akusinto le right nje yabo nje ngala ekhaya abatali bami bafundisi and stuff kuyakhonzwa ke ekhaya kuyakhonzwa so manje nje like ngikhula lento leyo vele like nasekhaya bayithanda bayayinyanya and stuff yabo nje so manje yabo nje ukuthi accept kwami and futhi nje bengiphiya ngidina yo guys bengiphika mina labanye nje nabangicala bathi ngenye kwade ngifuna nokubanyisa mara like ngathi accepta guys yathi shem kwaba nelanga langa endiphisi khona ngathi you know like ngizame everything shem ngizamile everything ngizamile kuzama ukujwana nomadane like nje bengidiva ukuthi angibelong lapho akusingi lo muntu loyo nje ngahlala phansi nami ngathi accepta ngathi you know what Mbulelo yekela kuyalena lena le ngoba kuyalena le kwakho ke kuzokuncede ngalutho the accepted the way ungakhona the way uNkulunkulu akudale ngakhona if kungukuthi wena ustabane mfana bani whatever mara like the accept babes the accept because good accepta kwakho utothola kuphumula like leslotha lo naso stocala nje sihileke yabo ukuthi accepta kwamshem nje vele shem like kwanceda kakhulu guys njengoba ngisho ukuthi like bengifana neliblomu neliboni nesole lingana kukhanya mara ngenela ngathi accepta ukuthi accepta kwami kwaba ngilokukhanya lebe ngisolo ngufuna because ngachakada ngaba ngilo muntu lengifuna kuba ngiye ngaphila lempilo lebe ngifuna ukuyiphila so yeah guys shem the accept shem if kunguthi nawe ul game leli in the closet or you are gay but then awufuna ukuvuma lokho like awufuna ukuthi accepta awufuna ukuthanza isexuality yakho ngenxa yokuthi bantu injanjani like babes like angeke like nje shem dincede uthi accept udobona nje nawe ukuthi accepta kwakho impilo yakho man ito transformeka na utodiva ngekhathi ukuthi yabo sengimlo munye muntu like njengoba ngisho udoba ngiledom lelichakatako so yeah guys mina shem ukuthi accepta kwami kwangiboostela iconfidence kancane because like ngaqala ngaphila yabo lempilo lebe ngisolo ngifuna ukuphila ngaba ngilomuntu lebe ngifuna kuba ngiye like ngathi yabona uhamba kahle with pride even ngisho nasebantwini like so uyatati ukuthi wena umuntu onjani so like lokho nje kimshem kwanginceda kakhulu so yeah okay guys so lenye info yes 2 leyanceda like ukuthi confidence yami yabo like it's good is like not paying attention to people's opinions about me myself or how I should live my life yo guys like lokho nje mina vele nje ngaqala nje ukupractice early ukuthi ngabe nenzaba kusibani bathini ngami yabo after ngicela ukuthi accept ngavele ngaditshela ukuthi yathi okay yes vele futhi nje nawe okay vele like bani nje bohlala vele banendule batoyikhuluma ngawe or ngesexuality yakho wena you just have to teach yourself not to care like honestly so like ngathi fundzisa nami ukuthi ngabe nenzaba nokusibani bathini ngami and nje like ngatitshela man ukuthi like you know what futhi la mhlabeni umuntu angeke uze umanelise guys like do you be you impilo yakho lena nje like utale wedwana la mhlabeni uyofa uyi1 nje nempilo incane kakhulu enjoy impilo yakho uphile the way ufuna ukuyiphila ngakhona ungabi nenzaba nokusibani bathini and lokho futhi nje iyabo ifuka ukuthi awunanzaba nokusibani bathini uphela lapho wena noma ngabe yini oyifunayo ngempilo yakho like nje uyahlatima na ufuna kuphapha hence ngithi mine ukuthi accepta kwami like after ukuthi accepta kwami ngatitshela ukuthi angifuni kuba nenzaba oh my gosh ngithangi yami nayibo like angifuni kuba nenzaba nokusibani bathini ngami koyithulo konje nasekuhlangana nje kwaba nje ngelinye info lenceda kakhulu because ngathi accepta ngani sekwesithunga nakusebenza nokusibani bathini like ngacala nje ngaba yabo like ngaba igirl ngaba kule girl ngifuna kuba ngiyo yabo like confidence yami yathi yabo nje like nasesikom noma sengihamba nasengithi shake nyathi shake vele yabo like anginanzaba nokusibani bathini like noma nje ngiphosa the way ngifuna ngakhona ngicala nje like yo guys bengiphosa kabuhlungu njani like yo guys bengisolo ngizama nje ngifuna ukuphosa njengemfana injanje mara after I was like yabo nje like ngaba igirl so nje like shem nokho nje nami kwangiboostela yo guys kwangiboostela iconfidence like yathi yabo nje like yo shem futhi nje vele na uthi fundisa kusibani like batohlala bakhuluma and futhi ungabi nenzaba nokusibani bathini ngawe like uphila kamnanzi man like yathi uphila kamnanzi so shem guys nani lokho kuzameni and futhi nje guys bani bohlala bakhuluma man bani bohlala bakhuluma do you yakho lempilo at the end of the day akusiyabo so yena lokufunwa nguwe ngempilo yakho na understand okay so like futhi lenye into yesi3 leyanceda mina like leya boost confidence yami like ukuthi thanza guys loving yourself is very important love yourself into yesi-3 leyo. So like guys, kuthanza eventually if uthi acceptile the way ngakhona ngasabunenza ukuthi abantu bathini ugcina so uthi thanza. So mina shem nje ngathi bona shem ukuthi yo shem ukuthi thanza nje like ngiyakudzinga kakhulu because like ngibona ngasifuthi kutongibooster i-confidence. So nje like ngala bengine bad emjolweni and stuff bengidlala abafana. So nje bengitshela ukuthi you know what into sithando lebafana bangala appreciate ngibanikeza lona ngili-invest kimi nje guys enengali-investor shem ngali-investor ngacala ukuthanza mona yabo nje like ngathi nakekela ngathi naka sengithenga boma fragrances ngemali shem bese ngichithela kimi lenye lengisave sengisave kakhulu ukuthi ngithenge imali yabo like lengithanzako nje into letitongena ukuthi ngibe muhle more boma jewelries into like ngawathanza but like bengiwathenga ukuthi like ngibukeke ngimuhle yabo ngithenga boma products la ngisitabo with my skin sami sibe sihle bantu base bangitshela ukuthi hayi girl uduke era yakho yokuglowa and nje lokho guys like kwanginceda kakhulu kwangibooster kakhulu confidence because like bese ngibona ukuthi like angisafani njengalomuntu waqala like I'm the girl manje ngaqala nokuthanza like imtimba wami ngakho into like bantu bangibulisha on social media like mara nje kwaya ngawuthanza imtimba wami shemi and like I'm very insecure ngemtimba wami and futhi into le bantu banokukhuluma bethi ngivisa buhlungu mara nje ngathi nangithanza I was like, you know what, nje angengisabalenza bakusibani bathini ngaqala nje yabo nje ngaenda tonke into semandleni ukuthi like ngingasabalenza bona kusibani bathini ngemtimba wami ngangasabi insecure ngami yabo nje nala rest like sengiyajima nya workout and stuff and nje futhi lokho nje ku enhance nje like imtimba wami yabo ngiba nema muscles somewhere nje like sengiba more attractive like ngiya transformer like ungangibona nyalo sobolo mbulelo lebeke nginiye like ekucaleni kwa 2020 angisafani shem so like ukuthi thanza phela kubalekile ku very important guys like kubaleka kakhulu cause like utoba so like nje vele shem kwanginceda kakhulu kimi kwanginceda nje kakhulu angifunde ecamba manga shem guys like and futhi kuthanza there's more to ukuthi thanza than nje ukuthi uba muhle and stuff yathi thanza kunakekela no noma utithanza ugcine sewathi ne-worth yakho ukuthi noma nje uthi relationship nemfana ngaphasi kahle into umthanza uyamshiya because uyayibona ukuthi into le kakwena lo mfana awe-deserve cabanga nje so uhlele relationship ngethi kusolo fela umuntu kanti lo muntu lo ya ubhizi namantombazane amaningi nje akadiphathi kahle ahamba la nebala abaningi nacesela kuyatholela nawo uthole tifo yabo nje ukuthi awudithanza awudinakekela chaza ukuthi impilo yakho nje awuyithathi serious so nje guys tithanza kubalekile shem asithanzeni sitobona nje sitoba bahle more and nje yabo sto elevateka and futhi ne confidence yakho itoba so yes lenye in verse 4 le yanceda it's being okay with the fact that not everyone is gonna like me and vele shembantu guys like angeke baze bakuthanze bonke vele like angisiyona vele imali futhi so angeke nje vele wonke umuntu azangithanze like yabo nje ngifuna ukucela this thing like my gays lamaningi yabo another thing ukuthi angisho like ngiyathi kus guys like abantu abaningi vele ama-gays abawathanzi and stuff and like njengomuntu lokhe like lokho nje kumele ukwadi and you have to be okay with that so my-gays lamanye nje anokwena tino nje letibheke eceleni or tino nje letingekho right so lo bazama ukuthi like bathandwe bandvu mina angisiyena futhi lo muntu loyo shem so nje anginazaba nebantfu anginazaba nokuthi umuntu athi abantu bathini nje angifuni ukuthandwa abantu shem ngenda into lefunwa ngimi yabo like ngena into lefunwa ngimi angeke uzongithole mina sengiceka lamanye ama-gays injanjani sengiyawaceka injanjani enkusolo ngizama kuhlekisa abantu or bantu bangibone mina ngathi mina ngiligele or like njengeni letitongena ukuthi letwela abantu ukuthi like bangibona ngathi mina ngiligele elingcono kunayo lo munye no shem like guys yo like shem nje yatekelana into leyo like iyabhora mina shem nje ngenda lefunwa ngimi and anginanzaba nebantu nabangithanza kuma bangithanzi anginanzaba nje guys as long as mina ngithanza mina yabo if umuthi utoba okay yabo or if wena utoyithatha into lengutshela yona ube okay with the fact that wonke umuntu angikaze akuthanze utoba right shem utoba right because like ikuthandwa abantu futhi lenye into kuyabhora cause if ukulanzelela lokho utoyena tinto tokuthi like ifunwa abantu hayi wena lotifunako ugcine sewona tinto letokwena ukuthi like destroy wena like self esteem yakho yabo nje wena tinto letibheke eceleni leto destroy ne confidence yakho ugcine nje sewona tinto letingakabhadli kahle nje so lokho ufuna kuzama ukujabulisa abantu abanjani enethina sesikubuka phela sesithi yabo like sesithi and asesikubuka kanjalo sobona ngathi kumithines wrong or like yabo so yaqala like so udibeka phasi and stuff cause like wozibani bathi yayenda lokhu ku right wena ngala wena ufuna ukuchaza bona ngalala labanye abantu bathi injanjani umuntu guys angeke uze umanelise ngeke yena into lefuna nguwe and futhi ungabe nenzaba ukuthi ufuna kuthandwa abantu cause uto yena into lefuna ngilabantu lapha ngala abantu bangala bathi yayi injanjani nowara bashawagcina and wena usijabulisa laba ubona ngathi ayingenda kahle nase utangala sebajaja labantu bangala yabo so nje like so dibeka phasi esafucine nje awusathi kuswendeni so uhlala udivalele nje awusabi lomuntu lochakatawo so manje ngabe banenzaba nokuthi abantu bathini nje and futhi iba okay with the fact that akusingi bobo ngibala abantu okuthanda yabo ifuto yena njalo utokhona ukuthi utendele into lefuna nguwe and like wende buwena yabo kutokuboostela iconfidence yakho ukuthi wende buwena and uphile lendlu lofuna kuyiphila or uphile lempilo lofuna kuyiphila so like angeke uzube tuke state sokuthi like uchaze bozibani isilaka ngabangala abantu ongijudge nzabe bo like ngalandzelela into lefuna abantu uzoyena into engekho right or let talk destroy impilo or self esteem yakho yabo nje ugcina so ngasathi kusweneni because ngala basi ngiyabachaza ngala bathi injanjani so ugcina like so outside kuswendeni yabo so uyadibeka phasi kana kufuneka ukuthi beke phasi kumele yabo ngoba ubeka phasi uboba igirl ube lo muntu locabanga ukuthi wena ungiye so please shame into yokugcina leyanceda mini yes 5 le so nguthi like I'm embracing myself and the fact that I am a feminine gay person okay njengoba start nje siyadvela nje like ukuthi I think it's like bantu abaningi especially thina ama-gays siyadvela ukuthi like bantu abaningi ama-gays la feminine abawathanzi like bathatha lama-gays la ngathi ngani bathi bo straight acting wara like benginokubona na social media nje bamuntu athi yami like ama-gays ngiyawathanza nginankinga nawo nethi nje like ngithatha ama-gays ukuthi akakhohlwa ukuthi bona abafana bagcoka njengebafana and stuff injanjani ayila ukufuna kude namantombazane and stuff guys sisuka singafuni kude namantombazane ngiligay leli-feminine obvious njengoba ngifeminine khona nje like into leti labeled ukuthi mantombazane ngitothanda ngitigcoke or like ngitende and stuff not because like ngifuna kude nentombazane ngiligay leli-feminine ngingani like sometimes like guys kubalekile ukuthi ube knowledge at because like if ukuthi uyangathi or like we understand into lengikhuluma ukuthi wathi kuthi magezi ahlukile kunamagezi lamasculine namagezi la feminine and so ke yebo kona stay mara like isikhuluma like ngathi nje siphila impilo leti different yes kona we so as gays attracted to into leyo one mara like impilo leti different like meaning feminine like yabo like ngigirl and stuff selo lomunye nje like nje yabo like mara guys ngizama kuchaza and I hope na understand ukuthi ngizama kuthini like mina shem ukuthi embrace kwami ukuthi ngiligele feminine nje kwanginceda and futhi kwayiboost confidence yami because ngikhumbula kahle ngisaphuma ku-closet nami ngibona ngathi kuba feminine akho right and futhi ukufakela amehlo kakhulu nje like akusi right injanjani mara and futhi bengidada ukuthi nginjalo and kuthi like bengafuna uku-embrace like yabo nje bengusabanyana mara wayengekuya I was like you know what ngifuna kuchina mina phela yabo ngigirl ngifuna kuchina ngifuna ukugcoka tiketi ngifuna kena yabo nje like yo guys shem even ngisho mina nangigcoka skirt or nangigcoka rock or nangichinile guys like ngidiva ngathi ngimlo muntu lengingiye yabo like ngidiva ngathi ngimlo muntu lengingiye like kuba feminine like it's part of me kwami ngile the way vele ngakhona so nje like ngiyak-embrace shem and the mongo embrace like ngile the more confidence yami inyuka ngingabhini nenzaba nokuthi bantu bathini like the embrace the way ngakhona if ukuthi ugay and ufuna ukugcoka skirt sigcoke if ukuthi ufuna fake makeup ufuna kuqhina kwende lo ungabe nenzaba nokuthi bantu bathini as long as wena ukujabulisa akwende kutokuboostela iconfidence and futhi utobona nawe nje ukuthi yabo nje so the more mina shemvele ngachina ngagcoka nje yabo ticket and stuff yabo nje ngathi embrace shem embrace abo feminine bami the more like confidence yami yanyuka nje bese evutalizwa nje noma abantu bangathini injanjani anginanzaba yabo nje ay guys shem ngiyanicela shem like if ukuthi okay and ufeminine di embrace ungadisabi because la magezi athi yo mina ngiyasaba shem nje like ngisaba ukuthi bantu batothini yabo nje batongijudge ekhaya in and stuff ayibo gqoka, be feminine, ugcoke itiketi na ufuna kugcoka u-act like ube the way ufuna ngakhona kuba ngakhona ngifuna ukusebenzisa igama loku-actor because it's like ngathi kumbe uba indulo ongasingiyo. So no, like him, be you man, be you, embrace yourself. Gcoka lesiketi girl, like fake makeup qhina like iba nguwe. So yeah guys, shem kungiloko nje. So yeah guys, shem, thank you so much for watching nje into yethu nje itophelela namhlanje namuhla. Like itophelela la shem, thank you so much for watching, and nje ngiyathemba ukuthi like konke lokukhulumile kutonceda nani because nakimi kwanginceda. So ngiyathemba ukuthi nakini kutonceda, and futhi ningakhohlwa ku like no subscribe ukuze ukuthi next time if ngipostela enye video nibe notified. Thank you so much. Ngiyamthanda.